Hello beautiful people, it's LT here, a brand ambassador with Truly Nolen Pest Control. And I'm here to give you some tips and tricks on how to keep your home truly safe. Today we're going to talk a little bit about subterranean termites. And with these little creatures, there's one thing you need to know. In particular, they love high moisture content areas. Simple fix, but it's something that you need to know. Come on, let's take a look. Here's a perfect example of an area that has some high moisture content. And believe it or not, it's really common at most homes. I see this a lot. So I just want to point this out to you so you can be aware of these particular areas that can be really attractive to termites. All right, let's take a look. Come down here. This is called the AC drip line or the AC condensation line. And as you can see here, we have it dripping right here next to the house. We don't want that to happen. AC just turned on. This is what it does. It creates an area where you have saturated soil. I can literally clump this up like clay. And because of the moisture content, it's gonna stay that way. This is super attractive to termites and you don't want this at your home. So the best thing to do is extend this away from the house. That way you don't have the moisture build up right at the bottom of your structure. When it comes to stucco on your home, sometimes what the contractor may do is allow that stucco to go all the way down into the soil or past the soil line. That's not a good thing. And the reason why it's not a good thing is because you're placing the stucco right onto the brick. And over time, you start to get these little cracks or this little space that starts to form in between the stucco and the actual structure. If you can't see where the bottom of that stucco is, that allows termites to be able to get inside of your home. This is what we call a stucco cut, or where you're able to cut an actual stucco band. That way you can see if there's any mud tubes coming up and getting inside of your structure. All right, we have some ants in this particular area. Look at that, just crawling right up out of this thing because there's a crack in between this area right here, which allows termites to come up into your structure. If that goes all the way into the ground, like we have here, you can't see where those termites actually come up. So please, please pay attention to this on your home. And if you don't have a stucco band cut, maybe you should get one.